guest, the Vice Chancellor of University of Technology, Professor Dr. Kumar sir. Our Dean Academics, Dr. Aurobindo sir. Dr. Smita Pradhan, the coordinator of today's FDP program, the administrative officer, Subhasis Pandya sir. All the esteemed professors, researchers from different educational institutions of throughout India.
Good morning to everyone. Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, I am very much honored to speak over you today. Handsome friends, there is one MCQ and reflection journal that will be discussed by our MBA coordinator, Dr. Subhasis Pandya. All of you know what is AI. AI means artificial intelligence. So for that, what we require the data. So the raw data, what is available through sensor, images, or in signal, it is not at the
critical thinking and innovation. I encourage all participants to make the most of this opportunity, engage actively, ask questions, and explore interdisciplinary ideas that can spark new teaching methodologies and research directions. I take this moment to thank you all once again for your presence and participation. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, it's time for the Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Engg sir, to address the gathering. Sir, please.
University of Technology. We started with, we had a curriculum conclave, we developed the curriculum, we had a research conclave for research scholars, we have project exhibitions for BTech projects, we have Big Beauty Hackathon, Big Beauty Industry Academy conclave, and this year, December 19, 20 and 21st, we are organizing the first international multi-conference at University of Technology, Inauguration. These are the initiatives we did, and the best part was I understood like the examinations and the result declaration was a problem. I thought I will use some kind of whatever knowledge I had in computer science and engineering. I like the subject computer architectures, pipelining, just I used pipelining, simple concept of pipelining, and we published the results within 7 days. The time required for starting the evaluation of answer scripts till completions, the time it was taken before, today also it is taking the same time. But what I did was, I did some kind of pipelining. The first day examination over, same day the evaluation script should come to ATAL, coding, scanning. After 3 days, the evaluation will start. Some people might be having a conception that how within 7 days they are publishing, but result has been completed and within 7 days how they publish. But the day the examination started, after 2-3 days, we start the process of evaluation. It takes around 20 days to complete the examinations. And I put descending order, the examination with larger number of answer scripts, I put it in the first day, so that by the time the examination answers will be completed, and last we have only very few answer scripts to be published. That's a story of how the evaluations, etc. will be completed in 7 days. I used the technique of the pipeline, that's all. Coming back to the topic of artificial intelligence, data to intelligence, you have seen the development and devastation of the world. What I mean to say is, you have seen the fight between Russia and leaders are not burned, they are made. So purpose, awareness and empathy. Like, like if you go back to the history, Mahabharata, it failed him when he lost sight of his values. He knew Krishna, his mentor, his philosopher, his guide to awaken his higher self. Krishna did not teach him how to fight. He reminded him why to fight for dharma, justice and the greater good. Whenever dharma declines and adharma rises, I manifest myself. Bhagavad Gita 4:27.
You cited how humans should accept AI and they should use at their workplace. Thank you very much, sir. A very good afternoon to all of you present here. Today, we are having our last valedictory ceremony and we have our eminent persons with us. So I request our dignitaries onto the dais.
But a beginning of the new ideas, applications and innovations in the field of AI. Let this event be stepping stone for many more collaborative efforts, research ventures and applied projects. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our chief guests, dignitaries, all the resource persons, organizing committee members, and the supporting staffs for their tireless efforts in making this program a success. The Dean Academy, who is also the co-coordinator of this program, Dr. Aravinda Pandasar, not for the least, Dr. Y.K. Mahanti, who inspired me to at least I should apply for this FDP, and also he was the only person who told me that he can achieve this. Also I thank
AI and many more. So on day 1, that is on 15th June, the FDP began with an inaugural session, followed by the first technical session conducted by Dr. Soros Mayer, Professor of AICTE, who introduced the theme role of AI, data to intelligence. In the afternoon session, Ms. Anmol Maharana, Deputy Manager at Official Bhubaneswar, delivered a session on the integration of AI in energy transition. The day concluded with an article discussion on wavelet fuzzy hybridization techniques and a hands-on lab session. On day 2, that is on 16th June, Dr. Dipti Patra, Professor at AICTE, presented on machine learning in signal and image processing. In the post-launch session, Mr. Vikram Saul, a data scientist at Engg, Bangalore, spoke about industrial applications of artificial intelligence.
years. Accreditation, then the accreditation of the department, it was our target that to must get certain funding from AICTE. And with the approach of Madam and also Arvind sir, we tried to go ahead and the proposal was set in time. So for that reason, I must congratulate, thanks Smita Madam and also Arvind sir. And the cooperation of the department, particularly electrical department, the staff members, Balasore, Tripathi sir and other faculty members, they also helped a lot, including Madhu sir and also Jana sir. And from the computer science department, including head of the department, others, and from mechanical engineering, we got a lot of cooperations. So definitely it was a group task. Initially, Madam was a little worried that for the time being, because artificial intelligence is a topic. It is now it's the hot topic, and it will be definitely for another 15 to 20 years. It will be a hot topic. So since the basic and also one teacher particularly, many of you have appreciated that research methodology. Although it came also in between this, instead of going for other technology, this also helped the researchers and those who are the young faculty members also. It will give an idea that how to start a research, how to go for a publication of the papers. So definitely, at the end, this is a
not yet had no more to any of our request for any time to take discussion. Principal Michael Anki sir, who is behind the top to bottom all the activity of the AICTE program. Aravind sir, Dr. Aravind sir, who has given the real shape to this imagination of the AICTE program. Cooperation rendered by the faculty member of all electrical and electronics department. Thanks to them, despite everything, they have rendered their best of the help, and also the faculty of the members of other department who have rendered their help to organize this function. I convey my heartfelt thanks to the participant who has participated in this FDP program, ignoring the charm of the religious celebration. Greatly respect to you. This is encouragement to the demand.
Already, Dr. B. Srinix told this type of faculty program, it is no doubt it is first time in the Odisha, I think, as far I know. No doubt it is a great achievement for our institution, and it has been successfully managed due to sincere effort of our principal and other members, supporting members of the institution.
To the organizing team for giving me an opportunity to stand before you again as a chief guest of this valedictory session. You know, since array of speakers have already told many things about this FDP as well as a list of participants have already given feedback, very interesting as well as useful and also need of the hour. You know, the artificial intelligence, you know the objective of artificial intelligence. The objective is very clear that the moment you learn artificial intelligence, you should keep in your mind that you are going to develop a machine that can act and think like a rational human being. So this is the whole objective of artificial intelligence. And you know this artificial intelligence, the topic of interest, is penetrating every sphere of our life. And we need to use the tools and techniques developed under the umbrella of artificial artificial intelligence properly. We should not misuse. The moment we will misuse, then definitely we are going to damage our career. Since last 5 days and today, so including today 6 days, you have already got many concepts related to, in the domain of AI. So I hope these inputs can help you to advance your academic career further. And I request all of you, please use these inputs and process it very carefully, and then produce the output. Those outputs must be useful for the society. With this, I am concluding. Thank you all.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is my great honor and privilege to deliver vote of thanks in front of you on the occasion of valedictory ceremony of this 6-day FDP program. I think a huge clap needed to all the participants who for their patience for last 6 days. Being a teacher, it's a learning, is a difficult task for us. We know that after delicious lunch, there is some drowsy moment for us, but the energy from the participant shows the success of this event. I think a huge clap also needed for all the organizing team and all the participants from different college and our college, and also all the team, especially for the hospitality team and the committee who is deciding the menu to delivering the food items. At last, they provide the delicious lunch in the last festival. I think multidisciplinary research and the collaborative research is the major objective of the faculty development program. Because once we get together at the same place and we exchange our idea and we will learn something and we will discuss some problem like the different journals of the different speakers.
The AICTE Training and Learning Academy in Balasore. That when Arvind sir told me that this is the first time in Balasore, you just register. I was really, at that time I was very much happy to anyhow I have to attend this program. And continuously 6 days. 6 days I have attended this. And very much I would like to thank Smita ma'am and Arvind sir. Thank you so much sir. Thank you.
Here, what I saw that even I have worked in Delhi and other places, but in spite of being a small place like Balasore, I never thought that such type of people will come who are really brilliant and who are academicians, who are working in the top companies as professionals and having a wealth of ideas. So, and another thing I had gone in Fakirmon University and Sri University also some time back. Our Vice Chancellor had said that we don't know how high is high, but now we came to know how high is high. I hope you can understand this. It's an immense pleasure that I have got an opportunity to talk something in front of you. So it was a 6-day program, and within this 6-day program there are a lot of resources. That means we got a lot of resources. All the esteemed faculties, all the resource persons were very good, and they have given a lot of information to all of us. And I thought that this type of information should be implemented to the students so that the students can also gain some more knowledge regarding this activity. So perhaps this is the first time in the Eastern Band
the Srinix College of Engineering has prepared this type of national program, or I may say that AICTE program, and they could bring the visit to this organization. So thanks to the organization committee that they have met such type of program. And also I can thanks to my faculty members that they have spare available time to be here. And also some persons are there who may not be here. I may say that some persons who are outside this sphere, but they are hard working, help us to gain something, and also they have helped a lot. They are hard working also make this program success. So what to say? So within these 6 days, so some workshop has already been held. And also, as per my knowledge concerned, the programs that which we do not know, that type of some COLA programs, I got also in part. I got some knowledge from this COLA program. As well as we could visit the industries and get some more knowledge. So lastly, once again, I would like to thanks to the coordinator and co-coordinator as well as principal sir that to conduct such type of programs, and may God help them to continue this type of program in the Eastern Bank